Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check device model for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now, you need to click at the three dots at the right top. If you have Android, you will have 4 dots, not 3. Then, device settings and device information. At the third line, we have a model, so you can check it right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!